is not adversarial. We are seeking facts from you. Members will ask questions to establish your suitability to hold the office to which His Excellency the President has nominated you. We have done very well since yesterday, resisted the temptation to have any altercations. We have conducted the proceedings with a lot of decorum. You address the House or the committee through the chair. Questions are also asked through the chair. And we try to limit any direct conversation, engagement, or arguments between the nominee and any member of the committee. The time available to this session is there, 90 minutes. So we encourage concise and precise questions, eliciting concise and precise answers from the nominee. And once we've gone through your documentation process, I'll give you 10 minutes or less, at least no more than 10 minutes, to tell us who you are and a brief journey through your life to where you have landed in this nomination. Let's start with your documentation, Professor. Do you have your compliance with tax obligations with the state with a KRA certificate? I'll ask you which documents, then if you have them, you'll give it to the officer standing next to you. If they're in a bundle that you have made copies, you can give her the originals as well to compare. Then she'll give you back your originals at the end of the proceedings.
The Chairman, I think what I have are my certificates, academic certificates. I think there was a communication breakdown. Just this morning is when I've been informed I also needed to come with my ID. I've sent for it, it's on the way. But I have my original academic certificates with me.
Let me just go through the list.
Yeah.
Then you'll tell us.
And the other clearances, I think we submitted them, and
let's be sequential.
We can still get the original.
Let's be sequential.
Yeah.
You have the KRA certificate you submitted.
I submitted, but I don't have the original here.
Confirm.
I can get it, yes.
You have the Higher Education Loans Board clearance.
Yes, submitted.
You have the clearance from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission.
Submitted.
You have the certificate of good conduct from DCI.
Submitted.
Thank you. Have you ever been mentioned in adversely mentioned in any investigative report of a parliamentary committee or commission?
No.
Are you a dual citizen between your Kenyan citizenship and any other jurisdiction outside Kenya?
No.
Excellent.